This is Agile in 3 minutes. How production ready is today's code? When I encounter a concept that's new to me, I try it on for size. It may not fit immediately, or ever, but if and when it does, I don't want to waste another second operating myself without it. I eagerly integrate the idea into my worldview. I start putting it to the test of putting it to use. Either I start getting value or learn that I won't, which is no big deal. Just integrate that too, and continue. Continuous integration isn't strictly continuous, and it isn't about automation tools, information radiators, or build servers. It's not even strictly about code. CI is an idea about what's only in our heads, what's only on our machines, and what we do about it. When we've done some work that might be good enough for our customers, continuous integration says we believe it's good enough for our teammates. We don't want them to waste another second operating without it. We want them to put it to the test of using it as a basis for their development work. And we're eager to be using their work as a basis for ours. The potential value we think into existence can only be realized after it has left our desks. Like raising a child, the goal of developing software is to continuously prepare it and ourselves to let go. There's no perfect way to do that, and there's danger in letting go too early or too late. Along with the other extreme programming practices, frequent integration is a technique for mitigating risk. It mitigates the risk that work we believe is ready to ship is not, in fact, ready to ship. Because we're concerned that reviews, merges, commits, test runs, and builds can be unpredictably painful and time-consuming, we refuse to defer them for a big batch later. Because we're concerned about the predictability of our schedule, we do our reviewing, merging, committing, testing, and building many times per day. And because we're concerned for the well-being of our team, we look together for ways to improve the experience of integrating frequently. For instance, continuous code review can be so enjoyable and productive that we stop calling it code review and start calling it something else. We're continually integrating when our team shares its work as soon as we can, when we combine our efforts as frequently as we can, and when we look for ways to share work and combine efforts earlier and more often. We do these things because they manage risk and control cost. We do these things because they help us deliver what the business needs when it needs it. And when we do these things, we continually feel better integrated with our work, our worldview, and our teammates. This has been Amitai Schleier delivering an increment of Agile in 3 minutes, the simplest podcast that could possibly work.